Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the playtime of your Xbox games on your Xbox Series S or your Xbox Series X. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So before we get too far into today's video, I want to mention this will only work for Xbox One and Xbox Series games. Sadly, this won't work for Xbox 360 and older games. It's a little bit disappointing. Hopefully Microsoft will add this in the future, but that's just something to keep in mind. To do this, what you need to do is, of course, have your Xbox turned on, have a controller connected. We're going to be pressing the home button on our controller to pull up this menu here on the side. Once this opens up, we're going to be pressing RB 3 times until we get to the game activity right here. From this point, what you want to do is click it down once, and we're simply going to be opening up the all achievements item here. And here we should see a list of all of our recently played games. From this point, what you can do is select any game on this list. So for example, if I use New Super Lucky Tales here, what I can do is click on this. Once you come here through the menu, you'll be brought to the progress tab up here on the right. What we're going to be doing is clicking down twice here until we come to the left section here where we see achievements. And we're going to be looking for the stats tab below this. So if we click down here, we'll open up the statistics for this game. And here we're going to be able to see our time played. Now, sadly, if I try to do the same with an Xbox 360 game like SSX for an example, when I come to the progress tab, I don't actually have the achievements and statistics tab on the left, so I can't actually view it here, which is a little bit disappointing, but hopefully they can update and add this in the future. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to see your gameplay time in the Xbox Series S or your Xbox Series X. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.